On January 6, 2025 in Ohio, police responded to a McDonald's after staff reported a woman had indecently exposed herself to employees and customers.
You want her gone?
Yes, please.
You want her banned?
Yes.
All right, man.
Yes. Thank you. Let's go back to where we go to the office and we have our daytime.
All right.
Is that well?
So they want you guys gone.
Correct.
Okay, that's cool. Then we need to be able to get out the door, and if we're zapping too much for that long,
Then
we need to be in the
Chief for Dick Sporting Goods, 498 Howell Avenue, Resident 38.
I'll make sure that they just want her banned.
Good.
You want both of them banned or just her?
No, he's cool.
Is she cool to stay? Is she cool to stay too?
No, she's not.
No, him.
Oh, yeah, he's cool.
Oh, okay, I got
He's
you.
doing the door.
You're cool to stay if you want. You're the one who has to go, and you're the one that's getting banned.
Right. I'm getting ready to leave.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Let's get a rush on that. You want your shoes or by the front door?
Well, here's the deal. We'll figure this out between myself and my lawyer here.
You're free to stay.
He doesn't do anything. Like,
Is there somewhere you need to go? Somewhere? What's your plan?
well, I was going to try to get over to the store to get something to buy, but I was free.
The gas station?
But actually, what I'll probably do is go over to a spot style.
Two-way.
Okay. You want to get a move on that? What do you need to leave?
Officer Julie.
Two-way. Can you start from 999 Cumberland Avenue, reference verbal 10?
My bad.
Do you know her?
Multiple personality disorder.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I don't.
The officer is about to ask if an ambulance is needed and request that she leave the premises quietly.
I get it. I just don't want her to go to jail or something.
I know.
Do you want an ambulance?
No, I do not.
Okay.
And I actually have severe CPTSD
Thank you.
to the point of I don't want to have to.
The officer, still polite, says, "This isn't trespassing yet, but if you come back, you'll be arrested. Stay away and you'll be fine." She is completely wasted.
I'm just informing you're trespass. If you come back, you will go to jail for trespass. As long as you don't come back, you're all good.
It's not trespassing because I've been wanting to buy something all day and I can't even get up to the
that's
counter.
fine. They can trespass.
You guys don't understand!
Jennifer, thank you.
They get it! Now!
All right.
I'm not the one. I kept trying to tell her, like, ma'am, please sit down.
Yeah.
Please sit down. Like, and after so many times,
It's a lot of
he told her.
A lot of drugs.
It's just talked
History
about.
of
Yeah.
a lot of big history of drugs. So I mean,
Yeah.
it's well, no, she's jeez.
Leave now the property. You're going to jail.
And I apologize.
Leave now.
But you
That's
have to
fine.
understand, if I don't get that out,
Leave.
somebody's gonna out of me.
Leave now. You're going to jail.
You're trespassing.
Leave the property. You're going to jail.
Put your coat on. Fold.
Don't come back. So let's give her a second. She can go get her glove. If she comes back in, I'm just gonna throw her in cuffs, dude.
She's trying to get in there.
Jennifer, leave the property. You're going to jail.
Yeah, I can get that bad with this in my hand.
Okay.
So how far do you want to go?
Go home or go wherever you live.
Property. Go past the McDonald's sign and you're all good.
So stop!
Stop what?
You're not letting me my anxiety.
Sherry, you gotta go.
And I'm already pissing my pants. Think about the tent.
You can bounce your
No!
over there. Start walking or you're going to jail.
Put your coat on and go someplace
Well, I
else.
have to get it out of here or you're going to get zapped with electricity. I don't even know how to push it back at you, back at you, back at you, back at you, back at you. Seriously.
Go.
Stand down now.
Walk.
Where are you going, Ron?
Blow it up your
Jennifer, go or you're going to jail. Nope. Nope.
Oh, well, all right.
Don't! You even dare it!
Come on.
I can't. God, don't make me, please! Help me, Mother Teresa! No! Ah! No! Please stop! Jennifer, 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 Jennifer! Stop, 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 Jennifer! go to jail for that. Because you got no idea what you think I can even do. Give me
Let's just try to get her out here
balance.
first. Just try to get her out here in the cruiser first.
Stop.
All right, Jennifer, you're gonna have to
Please.
see. Do not grab me.
I'm trying to get the you son of a Stop!
25.
You're not horny, you son of a
25. We have someone with a
Now
rap.
you're gonna get assault on a police officer, so.
No, you don't understand.
25.
Do you know why he was fighting that hard?
25, 1713.
It. You.
You have anything on you? It's gonna poke
I'm
stickers at
not
my.
f***ing anybody. God.
Do you have anything on you, ma'am?
No, could you please just get me out of
We're
here?
going to be at Ollie's with this signal and high.
Take a seat.
Taking her to the station was another challenge, but they managed.
All right, Jennifer, step out.
Oh, God, I have... Oh, it's cold out there.
Step out. Come
My
on.
Susie's on. Oh, well. It's all right.
Please take your shoes back off.
Do you want your shoes on?
If it's not easy, can't do it.
You want your shoes on?
What the I can cut my on my coat.
Come on.
I can't get my shoe on my foot.
All right, well. If you step out, you can push it in. There you go.
I can't get it in there. See?
Why don't you stand up and try to do it?
No, you guys. Move! Don't. Use too much force, okay, please?
You're right here. You're right here.
I have to be able to have time to calm my heart rate down. Stop it. You're okay. Please. You're okay. Take a deep breath. You're okay.
Roll. Yeah, roll it your way and sit up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Take a deep breath.
High up on the chest.
High up on the chest?
High up.
Okay.
She's smaller, so.
Please, you're okay. Please. Okay, please. Sit up. Sit up.
Don't lean back.
Don't lean back.
You got the other one.
That's a solid.
Come on. Now stop. Because you can't take me too far without my other being that fast back. Down
Have tightened this thing.
and up so I can get up. I can't, you don't understand.
Tighten those.
I have to get my shoe off my foot. I'm feeling strangled already.
7025.
Come on, we don't want you to hit your head. It's gonna hurt. Don't do that. Okay, well then stop pushing me so far. Okay? Because then I will end up having to hurt people.
Well, you don't
I don't want to have to. Do not have to make me kill.
On 3. I got it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Come on, dear. Feet first.
Feet first.
Feet first. We'll get a shoe in there. You're good. You're white.
The woman was taken into custody and charged with resisting arrest and trespassing.